Today we got a video from the finest Cam, and the title of the video is "The Moment Cops Realized Why He Wouldn't Get Out of His Car."
On March 17, 2021, a Flagler County Sheriff's deputy pulled over a white Dodge Charger for speeding, 63 miles per hour in a 50 zone. What started as a routine traffic stop, within minutes, it spiraled into something completely unexpected, since one of these two men is wanted for murder.
Ask him to shut the car off. Yeah. Yeah. Do me a favor, don't use your phone, okay? It's an officer safety thing. One of the most dangerous things we do are traffic stops. And next thing you know, you tell somebody that you got pulled over and we got angry somebody showing up on a traffic stop, and then we got to divide our attention, okay? Okay, can you take it out, the keys out of the ignition and step out of the vehicle for me, please? Stay right there for a moment right now, okay?
How you doing, man? So you just go to the bumper of the car, yeah? The bumper of the car.
Oh, you didn't say what
I pointed to it, though, did I not? Okay.
No, you didn't.
I did, though. So can we turn around? Put your hands behind your head for me.
Do you have a medical marijuana card or any hemp in the car? Okay, because I can smell marijuana coming from that car, okay? I'm not looking to bust somebody for just a little bit. If you got a little bit, tell me and we'll work with you. But if you don't tell me, I'm going through the car anyway because I have probable cause. So you're better off right now. If you got a little bit, just telling me and we'll talk about it.
If anything, it's probably just some stuff in the ashtray, like little roaches.
Okay, and that's it? Okay. Okay.
All right, just real quick, bud. I'm just going to pat you down for any weapons, okay?
Spread your feet. Nice and wide.
Little water. Put your hands on it.
Who is this to you? It's your brother? What's your name? What is your name? Jamal. Do you have a medical marijuana card, Jamal, or any hemp? All right.
You just face a little straight for me, man. Turn your hips. There you go. Now turn your hips. Can you move your leg too?
Okay, go ahead, put your phone down. Come on, step out for me, okay? Did you hear us explaining to him why we pulled him out of the car?
Why was that?
What's that?
I said, why was that?
Okay, come on over here and we'll explain it to you too, okay?
My boy got on the
Come on to back of the
shiesty
vehicle.
mask.
Because there's
You
marijuana.
know he a demon.
odor of
YN,
marijuana.
boy.
Right here. Right here. There's odor of marijuana coming from the vehicle. Keep your hands out of your pockets, okay?
Taking my socks off. You could feel my feet, but he only said shoes, but now he's saying socks. That's what.
Yes. Take your socks off, inside out, and wiggle your toes.
Man, y'all can just feel my socks.
No, I'm not touching your socks. You're taking them off.
Man, what kind of pat frisk is that?
Right back on when we're
But
done.
I'm saying y'all never done none of this. That's crazy.
What kind of
Okay,
traffic
has
stop
he
is
pulled you over
this?
before? Has he ever pulled you over before?
It's not the point of who you are. I'm just saying cops, period. It don't matter if you or your teammate. I'm just saying him, anybody. Somebody say.
So you're an expert on how cops do their traffic stops?
Are you?
I would just stop.
Stop what? I'm just
Stop.
asking a question.
Stop being difficult.
There's nothing to be difficult about. I'm just asking a question, man.
All right. You know what? Do me a favor. Turn around. Stay right there. Turn around. Turn around. Because you're being a little. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Wait, hold on. He can't
You're
express
just a
what
little
he's.
too uncooperative, and I don't want any more issues. You're not under arrest. You're being detained. They come off as quickly as they go on. All right. But I don't need to worry about this for officer safety. All right. I'm going to make sure that I lock them up so they don't pinch down
Ah,
on you.
come on, man.
Just a little bit tight. I have
It's-
this brace
nope,
right here.
I
have a torn ligament.
Okay, listen
That's
to me.
why. I'm
Listen.
just saying it's a little tighter than the right. That's
Okay,
all.
listen to me. You feel my finger in there? If I can fit a
There-
finger,
there-
they're properly fitted.
I'm just saying the left one's a little tighter than the right. That's all I'm saying. I have a torn ligament.
I understand what you're saying.
I'm just saying.
I've understood what you said. Okay? But they are properly fitted. If I can fit my finger in there and that's the proper.
But what
Let me finish, my guy.
I get it. I get it. I get both sides of it, right? I got some sweet potato pie in the oven. Boy, that thing's starting to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know, it's holiday season time, man. But anyways, yeah, so I can see him being a little difficult, but also What kind of traffic stop is this? You taking the shoes off and wiggle your toe? Listen, that's the type of pat frisk we do, you know, inside the prison when you go or when you go inside the county or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I was a prison guard, you know, I worked in the prisons, but you know, your county jails and stuff like that, that's a more thorough pat frisk. But on the side of the road, you're not doing all of that. You patting down, boom, boom. You come on, look, I got over 1,000 videos on here. How many videos have you seen of officers talking about take off your shoe and take off your sock and wiggle your toes and all? Now, maybe if you want to take off the shoe, you know what I'm saying, to check real quick, but take off your sock in the street like that? They not doing that. Right? Like, come on, man. That's crazy. And yeah, is he being a little difficult? Maybe if you consider talking difficult, but he's still doing what you're asking him to do. He just got something to say about it. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe they haven't really. I don't think what he's doing is that big of a deal for him to be put in cuffs, honestly. He just expressing his frustration. You know what I'm saying? But he not going over the top and wrestling with him and doing all of that. Like, he's still doing what they say to do. You know what I mean? He just gotta. He like, yo, damn, I gotta take off my sock and all of that. Like, and I would ask the same thing. What kind of traffic stop is this? Like, yo, what? That's crazy to me. I am not gonna lie.
Stop talking. This is exactly why you're in handcuffs right now, because you're being a little difficult.
He talking
Stop
though, like
preaching.
that's not.
The more you struggle. Okay, well, you're jerking around and doing stuff like that, so come on over here. Come on over here.
I thought I wasn't being arrested.
You're being placed in handcuffs and in the back of my car until we're finished with our investigation. You are not under arrest at this time.
I didn't know I had to sit in the car.
Put your feet all the way in.
As deputies began detaining Shaquan Moore, everything suddenly went out of control, and officers would soon find out exactly why.
You're not going to get in the handcuffs right now, I'm just saying. Quick, just behind your head. Interlock your fingers.
All right.
There, perfect. Can you spread your feet for me? Spread your feet. What happened?
Watch your knee.
Hands behind the head again. Hands behind your head again. Don't be reaching in your pockets, just hands behind your head, okay?
Well, now that's being difficult. Now he's being difficult. He's not even doing what they saying.
Listening.
All right, y'all
You're
scared.
gonna do the same thing to me.
Please, okay.
Stop.
Okay.
Then do what we're asking
I'm
you
trying.
to do.
You're holding.
Relax.
All right, please,
Spread your
ma'am.
feet.
There we go.
Oh man. Of course, the police department releases this body cam footage. What about the other cop that has his body cam on? The police department did this on purpose. Okay, here we go.
You're gonna get tased if you keep it up.
Okay, here we
You're
go.
gonna get tased. You keep it up. You hear me? Stop resisting now. Hands all the way behind your back.
Don't get that cuff.
Hands all the way behind your back. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna
Ooh.
stop.
Okay.
Turn around now. Turn around now. On your stomach. On your stomach. Now. On your stomach. Get on your stomach now. Do not move. You understand me?
I got him ready. There we go.
Give me your right hand
Ooh.
on your back now. Pull your right hand
Now
out
that
now.
is not cooperating. That's a fact.
Pull
This,
your right hand
wait,
out.
this is not cooperating.
Get your other arm out.
Get out.
He's trying.
You're gonna get tased again. Do not move. Do you hear me?
Stop reaching for shit.
Bravo 224, one secure.
Why did you just try to run?
Get up.
3 times you did.
Canine 30 flagger. We have 1 Bravo Mech secured and Tango deployed. You're gonna be
You guys grabbing me and
Grab
stuff.
this for me.
What the heck?
Why did you do that? We
I'm
made
here
very
visiting.
clear instructions. Very clear. And even after we told you to stop resisting, you continued.
Come back to my car. Come on, let's go to the next car.
What is this?
Face the car for me.
No, we got another one in that.
Face the car. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
He had a 0. This is what you were trying to do. Are you dumb?
What? Look. Grab the holster.
Oh, what? He's in your car? Yeah. Is that real or no?
Oh, this shit hurt.
Hey, do you have any guns on you, man?
Huh?
Do you have a gun on you?
Yeah, everybody searched me. They already
You don't have a gun on you at all?
They searched me twice.
Is there another gun in the car or no?
I did. There's nothing in the car. What are you talking about?
Yeah, he done. He's cooked.
He's reaching for this. Did you see him reaching?
Yeah.
I checked it. It's...
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just pissed.
He was found carrying a concealed weapon, and after running his information through the system, what they discovered was shocking.
All right, so Atlanta's saying you got a warrant for murder, boss. Yeah. So, I'll call my mom. You can call her at the jail.
You're cooked.
Murder in Atlanta, where?
We don't have that information yet. Listen, don't freak out. So what's going to happen is you're going to get processed here, and then they're going to come pick you up. You're going to deal with our charges, our local charges, and then they're going to come pick you up and transport you back.
Local charges?
We haven't figured all that out yet, but it's going to be resisting arrest for sure, carrying a concealed weapon for sure. And if are you a convicted felon? Well, I'm going to find out. We're going to run you.
Did I not tell you my name, my social?
I'm not. No, I'm not. I asked you if you're a convicted felon.
I know, but you said.
And if you have a firearm and you're a convicted felon, that's an additional charge. That's all I'm saying. So I don't know about that yet. Okay, but right now, for the very least, it's carrying a concealed weapon and resisting. All right?
He was arrested and charged with resisting arrest with violence, possession of a concealed firearm. What started as a routine traffic stop ended with a murder suspect in custody. As of now, Moore remains in jail with no bond allowed.
Dang. Now this is what I'm saying. The stuff that the first guy was doing to me wasn't enough to like really put him in cuffs. Like I wouldn't have put him in cuffs in the back seat and all that, because he just expressing his opinion. Now the second guy, now that is not cooperating. That is yeah. They gotta wrestle with you. You not put your hands on top of your head. You not putting your hands on top of your head. You keep reaching down. You keep. Oh yeah, nah. You gotta go. See, the first guy, he was doing what y'all asked him to do. It's just that he had a little lip. You know what I mean? Like, like, come on. Like, y'all got me doing the socks and all that. Like, that's crazy. You know, that's what he was saying, you know, really. But, you know, some people may, you know, they, whatever. But the second guy, oh yeah, he needed it. Yeah, damn. But kudos to the cops, man. They made the right stop and they got a M1 suspect off the streets, man. So kudos to them, man. So I'm gonna give them a 4 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? The only thing that I'm just like, that whole feet thing and all that, like, come on, bro. Yeah, like I said, I got over 1,000 videos on this channel. Go and look. How many times do we see that? That's overkill. That's for in the jail. That's for in the jail, not on the street. But anyway, what's the next thing you're gonna do? Pull over and make him squat and cough and lift up his nuts and all that? Come on, like that. Come on, that's the jail stuff. That ain't in the street. Y'all do y'all pat down, y'all boop boop boop. You know what I'm saying? That's it. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Let me know how well you think the officers did. Remember, I said I'm giving a 4 out of 5. They did pretty decent. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.